Welcome to T-Cube Trade Travel Truth. I'm Rich. How you doing? It's Friday. Nice day, Friday the 8th. The market is ripping today. Tesla's up a lot. So all my covered calls are in the red. Yep. And I've done it. So I'm going to show you. I've done a couple rolls. We're going to go over that. What I'm doing. Tesla's. What is Tesla up to? 426 right now. So it's gone up a lot. It's at $14 today. So let's go over why it's going up. So the title of this thing is Covered Calls in the Red. I still made $23,735 this month so far in premiums. All right. Obviously, my realized profit is probably taking a hit, which I don't really care. I only care about what's coming in. I don't care about realized gains. All right, so my covered calls are in the red right now. I'm going to show you my screen, no hiding it. I already did it. I filmed Robinhood a couple minutes ago. I rolled two things out in time, and then we'll get into that. Tesla ripped today. Market's on fire, and I've still made $23,735 this month on premium so far. Red calls, money's still coming in. Let me break down exactly how that works. All right, let's do a quick market update, why everything is going crazy right now. So jobs report this morning, 115,000 jobs added in April. So that's a little higher than what they're expecting, so that's cool. Wall Street only expected 65,000, not 115,000, nearly double the estimate, right? So that's good. Unemployment held steady at 4.3%. Market loved it. S&P and NASDAQ both open green. Tesla pushing around 409 high since March. Now it's up to 426 or whatever. That move right there is why my calls are all in the red today. Yeah, you know, it happens when Tesla goes up for a bit. The calls are going to be in the red. And you just roll them up and out. But you do it kind of early. And then... all right, and... so we're going to go into Robinhood after this. I'm going to show you real quick what I did. Basically, there's I have a 13 contract thing out in March of 2027, and that was in the red. I rolled it to June in 2027, and there's the mailman right next to me. One of these days, I'm going to have, it's coming hopefully soon to the channel, we're going to have a place to actually film these except for my car. It might be in an RV though. Anyway, sorry, I got off topic. Anyway, so yeah, so I rolled that one, and I rolled another contract from June to July, and I just keep on rolling them. Then once it goes in the green, I'm going to start buying back the contracts, and then rotating them again. So we'll show you that when it happens, obviously. Yeah, so I really didn't have to roll them, but I like to stay ahead of it. I like to roll early, roll often, and then when Tesla eventually drops, I'm ready to buy back some contracts and get them started again. So once they're in the green, obviously. All right. Red. All right, so today was kind of a, obviously everything's ripping. So you got a green day on your underlying stock and a red day for your covered calls. And this is why a lot of people do not like covered calls. It's counterintuitive. I don't mind it because I just roll them out in the future. Now I got to start fishing them back in. I've rolled them way out, and I got to try and roll them back in. And eventually Tesla's going to take a downturn. I mean, this could keep going and up, which is fine. I keep rolling up and up, and then eventually, if my shares get called, it's way above my average price. So my average price is like $390. That's just the average for what I bought them for. But if you factor in premium, it's more down to close to $300 cost basis. So yeah, so the why. Let's just see why Tesla's going up here. Let's see why is Tesla going up today. I want the reasons. We'll hit pretty sure that it's job report. But all right, hot jobs report. Why Tesla's going up, lifts everything up. Strong Q1 earnings beat. Yeah, so we had Q1 earnings a couple weeks ago. people didn't like how much money they spent, $25 billion on market cap. But now they're starting to show little results coming in, like the robo-taxi starting to take off. A couple of things on the news. China sales are on fire for Tesla right now. Tesla's China EV sales jumped 36% year over year in April, marking 6 consecutive months. European recovery. Tesla's European registrations surged in April, up 112%. In France, 102%. In Denmark, and 23% in the Netherlands. Tesla semi-mass production. They started doing the big semi truck production, so they're testing those out, and the range is ridiculous, I guess. So that's coming too. So everything's coming online at once. U.S. Iran peace hopes, still optimistic about the peace in the Middle East. I'm not, because those guys over there don't have anything to lose. If they're killing their own people, they don't really care about the rest of the world. Bottom line, it's not just a jobs report, it's strong earnings. So yeah, it's crazy out there. Tesla ripped. I'm going to show you. Go jump into Tesla. I already rolled them. Without recording them, but I rolled the first one from like 395 to 410, and the other one is 410 to 420. But yeah, so that's it. We got to start buying them back because they're too far out in time. And this is how my strategy works, and just not get stressed. Hope you have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, and please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. Later. All right, guys, Tesla's taken off this morning. I had to roll a couple things. So, yeah, it's crazy. It's going crazy today. It's because of the job numbers and then all the positive things about Tesla that I talked about in the video before this. So I already rolled it. So I rolled this one. That used to be in June. I rolled this to the 17th. This one I rolled 3 months out. And this is, so I've got $106,000 in buying power. So this is the part that you got to manage, right? It's not a great day for my options because Tesla's going up, but at the same time, my underlying stock's going up, so I don't really care. Just got to manage these open calls. So let's go to history real quick and show you how much premium I collected. And once Tesla's not going to go up forever, right? Every day it's not going to go up, 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 and up. There's going to be a day it goes back. And when these turn green, like this one right here, I'm going to start buying contracts back with my buying power once they turn green. So get them refreshed and then start them over again. So let's just check out the history. And this is the number I said I made this month. So it's 23,735. And I'll show you the history real quick. History. Let's go to individual. So here's today's roll right at the top here, 10 grand, and then these two did, then another $183 that I rolled the bottom one, and then this is the other day. I rolled that 13 contracts before, so I had to roll it twice this week, maybe 3 times. But since May, right here, pretty good month so far. I mean, negative, obviously, all this is not going to be in realized gains are going to be down, but I don't care about realized gains. I care about history and how much money is coming into the account, right? So we're good now. Tesla just has gone up another $3. It's friggin' nuts. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, market's crazy today, Friday. Hope you guys have a great day. That is it.